Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Shayness, and first and foremost, I want to say Happy New Year's. We made it to 2022. This video is a little overdue. I did mean to publish something during the holidays, but just things got hectic. You can imagine it was just a hectic year. But with that being said, 2021 is behind us. It was definitely an interesting year. A lot of things happened, and unfortunately, as you guys have seen for the channel, things didn't actually come to fruition as I had originally foreseen. We ended up going with a different platform. And then, of course, we saw the whole chip shortage, which affected the vehicle industry, much like the technological industry. If you don't believe me, just drive by any dealership and you'll see that there is a fraction of the selection, if anything at all, as opposed to, when things weren't what they are today. And of course, that's also caused a crazy stir in the used auto market and the new vehicle market with ridiculous uppricing from the dealerships themselves to try to compensate for the lack of vehicle sales. So it's been crazy. Same thing with the aftermarket. Unfortunately, parts that should have been out sooner were either plagued with development time issues or just actual manufacturing and shipping, with some things being impacted with that whole delay with the ports and the ships shipping things. So it's been crazy, needless to say, but we're here. It is a new year, and I want to thank you all for showing love and support. There was a Veloster project that we were going to take on this channel, and again, there was a few minor setbacks with unfortunately a few accidents. Fortunately, everyone's okay and the vehicle is in great shape now. So this year you can expect a lot more Veloster content as you have seen in the past. And of course, this year will also be the year of more content for the Sonata platform, which I know for some of you, it's not a vehicle of interest, especially with the new Kona N and the Elantra N coming out. But it is the vehicle that I chose, and I'm having lots of fun with it. I've just been waiting for parts, so that's to come. We're gonna start off slow. I'm just giving you guys a heads up. January is gonna be a few little kind of review videos and just simple DIYs. And then hopefully once parts start coming out, we'll start full steam ahead, and of course along with the Veloster content. So thank you guys for sticking with me. I really do appreciate it. It means the world. Like I said, last year was a difficult time for all of us, some of us more than others, of course. It was definitely a transitioning period for me. I'm definitely a positive person, but I can definitely say that last year was not my best year, and unfortunately it trickled down to my content and the lack thereof. So this year, I expect better things now that we've settled down and a lot of the negative stuff is behind us. A lot of coping. As you can imagine with COVID and all of these mandates, I'm pretty sure some of you guys have experienced mental things that you probably have never experienced before. So I'm not going to get on a soapbox and go into it, but that's one of the beautiful things about the car scene. We are here for one another. I've been able to go to very low-key cars and coffee events on Sundays, as my Instagram followers will attest. And though they're not jam-packed and some of the craziest things that you see like in car shows, it's definitely been nice to disconnect and just kind of have a moment of silence to be able to just take everything in. So with that being said, I conclude this video. I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update. I hope you guys had a great holiday, a great new year, and hopefully there's exciting things for every single one of you in 2022. I've been following some of you very closely, and I've seen that there are parts ready to be installed. Some of you have made amazing leaps with your builds, and with that being said, hopefully this year I'll also get to showcase some of your guys' rides. Not just to kind of, like as an accomplishment for you, but at the same time so that you guys, not just me with, my previous build and this next Veloster build, but so you guys can inspire the rest of the community and give ideas on what can be done in the KDM scene. But with that being said, I wrap things up, guys. Thank you so much. I know this was just kind of a quick update, and I blabbed on enough, but it really does mean a lot to me. I can't express how much I'm thankful for you guys and the KDM community and the car community, anybody who's been supportive. Thank you guys once again for all the love and support. Please stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys next week in a simple video, but a new video nonetheless. Have a good one, guys. Peace.